Life's full of choices. We choose the captain of our sports team to lead us to victory. We decide who to spend our weekends with and who our favourite reality TV stars are week after week. We even pick who gets the last dumpling when we order takeaway. But what about deciding who gets your superannuation in the event of your death? See, while everyone understands the importance of their super when saving for retirement, they may not consider what would happen to that money if they were to die. However, there's a really easy solution. Simply fill out a non-lapsing death benefit nomination form and it's all sorted, giving you the control. A non-lapsing death benefit nomination is a written nomination form which tells your super fund what to do with the balance of your super when you pass away. When it comes to who you nominate, you can only select people who have a certain relationship with you, which include your spouse, your children, no matter what age, a person you have an interdependency relationship with, someone who is financially dependent on you, or your legal personal representative. A non-lapsing death benefit nomination is important because it allows your death benefits to be paid directly to the people you choose. And it's legally binding, which means you know exactly who will get what. It also cuts out all the messy paperwork, so your beneficiaries get paid quickly. So before you decide whether to get a full cream, soy or almond milk latte, take a moment to nominate your beneficiaries. It's very easy. Simply download and complete the form and then return it to us. This means you can rest assured knowing it's all taken care of. If you have any questions or would like to know more, call us today on 1300 654 666. We're here to help.